Today I want to talk about hairstyles for working out. If you have very long hair and you need a hairstyle that's going to be really firm and hold tight. So I'm going to show you a few options today. The first one, cable braid. This is a braid that's really thick and strong and eats up length. So if you want to have that cute braid swishing behind you, it won't be, down to your butt. So we're going to start out by making 4 rope braids evenly around the head. Okay, now that I have that done, let's quickly check the length. So this has brought it up to about classic length with our first round of braiding. Now we're going to braid each of these into rope braids. So we'll figure out which way it twists. Okay, and then go over it the opposite direction. And then keep doing it correctly after taking it over your shoulder. Always tricky. All right, let's check on the length now. So that brought it up probably another inch. And finally, we rope braid these two things together. So again, find the direction that twists them tighter and then wrap in the opposite direction. Twist and wrap, twist and wrap, twist and wrap. And now you have an extremely strong and secure braid. Our length now is about tailbone, so I lifted it by a good 5 inches. Swish, swish, swish. Okay, if you don't want to take the time to do all of that braiding, you can do a Gibraltar bun, which is very tight. So, wrap it like a cinnamon bun. And then pull out the inner coil to come over the top of the rest. And then you can secure that with a stick, but for working out, a stick is probably not the best idea. Might scare the people working out next to you. So I'm going to use this type of kind of hair fork. It's a U-pin from Leela Rose. Go in one side of that coil and ideally out the other side of it. Ooh. Yeah. It even twisted. So that is a very, very solid bun. Definitely not going anywhere, no matter what you do. And finally, a way to make almost any kind of bun stronger is to braid it. So if we do a braid first and then put it up into one of our bun styles, that will help it to be very solid. So let's do this one as a braided nautilus. So make a loop, wrap hair around, and then put the loop over the top of that bun. Some people can get this to stay without any accessories. I don't know how they do it. It never works for me. So I'm going to add again this big U-pin, which is basically functions like a hair fork. But almost any bun that you know, if you braid it, it's going to be stronger and hold together better for working out. I hope that helps.